This already
Hey guys, Gavin here with another Hearthstone Tavern Brawl. But first, let me close the door. Ah, my headphones got the cat heat. Okay, so in the background, Jason's just playing League of Legends, trying to on the road to Challenger. So it's just a random deck. You get random cards. I'm gonna play Pally for the win, just to get. Actually, no. I'm gonna go for Priest. Okay. So yeah. Oh yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be uploading a League of Smurfing. Build your team as you play. Oh, this isn't the random cards. It's whenever you play a card, you get one more in your deck, so you never fatigue. And you also discover, I think. Oh. Oh, pro. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? Coin this, and let me discover. Okay, I get the Death Lord, so he only gets stupid chickens. Give us one attack. So he can't kill it. I mean, he can't trade without killing his own chicken. There's my second museum card. And I have a Death Lord in there. Oh! That one's good. Jason, hello?
Hello?
Oh, hi. How's your game?
Terrible. I have like negative CS.
I see.
I can't farm. No kill.
Stupid auto attack, so slow.
Oh my god, what the hell was that?
What do you mean?
I'm so tilted. Oh my god, dude, I'm missing every single CS because of this kid.
Coin Alarmo bot for the win. Oh, if it gets Death Lord, free 3 mana. Let me just eat my banana, cause healthy, right? A banana a day keeps the Jason away. That's right. Better eat your bananas, kids, or else Jason will come and haunt you. Why the hell is this banana like red? Alright, don't eat bananas that are red. Very bad. Alright, let's see. Let's use this.
You can't farm at all.
Alright. This is a really slow paced game. It'll get better. Oh, couldn't give him chicken. Oh, I wanted. Lore Walker Cho! Oh, whoops. Red. Welcome to the exhibit. Let me turn on my sound. Don't concede. Sound. Alright. Loot hoarder. Coin. Chicken. I gave him a coin, but it's worth. Jade Serpent. OP. Give me all your money. What? He got a sea giant for 1 mana. Alright. Did not swear. Kopo. It's time for Africo. Begar. Dude, what the? Oh my god. Why did you do that, Gav? Oh, more Lore Walker chose. Oh, I'm losing pretty hard. Oh. I have to use that. These Lore Walker chose. I actually think I should have took just a cartridge out. Oh, you can break that? Oh my god. Why you kill the Lore Walker? And that's duplicate. RIP. I think I'm gonna lose this one. Harvest Golem. More chickens. So you get 4 cards. Come on, you got this. He has a really troll start, but what the? Who uses that? I think he almost had lethal. Have to take this. 2, 3, 5.
Why is Novio so slow?
It's
like being young.
You're
Because
slow.
young is slow. Ow.
Ooh.
Oh.
Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Well guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, cause I'm gonna let the rope like go. So see you next time tomorrow doing the thing that I mentioned, which is League of Smurfing, and bye.